A very good afternoon, Team Zimbabwe, and welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network, where we give you the latest trending news in the nation of Zimbabwe without fear, without favor. We are taking a look on what is happening in the nation of Zimbabwe, and Team Edi Huchi is now overstepping the boundaries. You know, sometimes what we see happening is sickening. You know, you don't need to see this being done by young people. If it is being done by Patrick Chinamasa or Betty Mpofu and all the Dala, I don't mind, because I will be saying they are singing for their supper and they just want to be in politics. Since they are irrelevant, they are riding on some nonsense. But when it's being done by somebody young, somebody with potential to live more years, I'm not saying potential to do good, no, to live more years and to see a better Zimbabwe. When you see them doing that, just simply to tarnish their image, guys, you wonder what kind of foolishness is this. Let us take a look on something chaitwa panapa nomwe munhu anenge achitozviti DJ what, but ndozvo zvinoita kana wapiwa mota, you don't have an option because you have to work for what you are paid for.
Ndati president wamunoona ndimo president wakaonekwa nenyika dzose dzemusadhaki, vakati uyu president Huchi zvaari Huchi muna Agasti president vari kupuwa huchairman kuti vaite mukuru wesadhaki mururuka. Simuza chano chomururuka pamusoro pazvo vhiki yapera president vakaita chinhu chakanaka. President vakaona kuti dhata riri kudhura, vaona kuti dhata riri kudhura, vakati regai ndiaprove Starlink ikauya tichatenga dhata $10 zaupedzi mwedzi wose. Rorai president mavoko mururuka, vasina goda mururuka. President vakaona kuti mari machenji mane oda kundijairira. President nokuda ndi president iti munhu nobva vaisa choka, vakati tavakuita inonzi structured currency, inova mari inotenga inonzi ZiG. Asi ZiG redu rasiyana nedzimwe mari nokuti mbira ipapo harindoni kana rikada kudonha rinogamuchirwa negold, rikada kudonha rinogamuchirwa nechiplatinum, rikada kudonha diamond. Kusari kweZiG kune diamond, kusari kweZiG kune gold, kusari kwacho kune lithium, kusari kwacho kune maminerals ose. Saka ZiG rakasimba kudarika mari dzose dzemusouthern Africa. Idishi baba, simuza chaonacho tione, simuza chaonacho tinotenda.
DJ Masomere. Well done.
Yawako ZiG.
DJ Masomere akana mvura.
ZiG
mvura.
This is DJ Masomere, and you know, personally, sometimes I blame the people who will be attending. I blame the audience because, you know, when you're a politician, you seem to manipulate people. It's the duty of every politician to find a way to manipulate people. It happens everywhere. Politicians, to a certain extent, they manipulate people. But the level of manipulation depends on the thinking capacity on the people who are being manipulated. If you have a better thinking capacity, you don't manipulate it like this. I'm going to explain, Team Zimbabwe, why I feel that these people who are being manipulated do not even think for themselves. Number one, you are being told about, let us start with the issue Equity Sadakakati Edi Huchi. It's a matter of ignorance. It's a matter, you don't even care about what happens. You are put in a certain direction where you have to see only what you are shown. You are not allowed to look on the right. You are not allowed to look on the left. This is what is happening in Zimbabwe right now. So for any person who does not know how SADC works, you are easy to manipulate. You are being told the SADC said Edi Huchi. They met and said Huchi, we need to give him. This is the slogan everywhere you go. They're telling people that SADC said Edi must take over the leadership because Huchi. They're saying Edi said to be the key developer. That is the reason why you have been given this, is because you have never been to other countries. If you have been in Tanzania, if you have been in South Africa, if you have been in other countries across the world, key and other countries across the world. Okay, Rwanda, let me give you these 4 countries: South Africa, Kenya, Tanzania, Rwanda. If you have been to those countries, then you don't say Idi Uchi. If for the least, if you have been in Namibia, you don't see Idi Uchi. Honestly speaking, this is a sign of ignorance, a sign of poverty mentality. You know, when somebody becomes in a diode with an E, that person is difficult to control because he no longer or she no longer think for yourself or for himself. This is what is happening, and these people are being manipulated right in broad daylight by somebody who is not even educated. Grade 7 are manipulated, and you see kuti paro vanhu vari kumanipulatwa panotorino nana degrees. And this makes me question the kind of education we have in Zimbabwe or we received in Zimbabwe. Why is it that our people are not seeing simple things? Why is it that our people do not think? You know, I have been having a conversation with some young guys, young boys. This young generation we have of these young kids of this day. They are telling you, who is Mnangagwa? You know, they are even thinking more than their mothers. I saw a certain young boy arguing with his own mother saying, Mama Makadakwa. This is what he said, Mama Makadakwa. Mga support Mnangagwa, sure. You know, sometimes maivano gumbuka pakadaro, but mwana ngashitaura chokwadi because he is actually looking forward to his future to say, where are we going with this man called Mnangagwa? We are going nowhere. So let us touch the second issue right here, the issue of Starlink. The coming of Starlink will not reduce prices in Zimbabwe. Yes, data prices may reduce, not for the ordinary people, but for those who are doing business. But it depends with the price of Starlink data in Zimbabwe. Is Starlink going to come to charge the prices they are charging in any other countries, or this guy, Chivayo, will impose his own price in Zimbabwe? That is going to be a key determinant. So you will see that he knows for sure that data is too expensive in Zimbabwe. Instead of him to reduce tax such that these companies also reduce tax or to regulate, he doesn't do that. He goes to lie to people that mchatenga data risingaperi $10. It will never happen. Even $10 actually is too much. You know, $10 utenga data. Then he speaks about Ziggy. This is something very important. He speaks about Ziggy kuti kana ukati zende kudai Ziggy rikada kudona kudaiwo rinosvika rondodonera pa gold, rikada kudona kudaiwo rinoenda ronodonera pa diamond, rikada kudona kudaiwo rinoenda iwe. With the way you are looting diamonds, with the way you are looting gold in Zimbabwe, 15 billion. Mugabe told us that 15 billion went missing. 15 billion United States dollars or worthy diamonds went missing. If 15 billion failed Zimbabwe, what about 2 tons the gold ramunaro zinete? 15 billion failed Zimbabwe. What about 2 tons of gold? What are you going to do with it? Recently, we have been told that there is no currency in Zimbabwe. They are struggling to bring foreign currency. I want to give you this example. Go to the passport office today. You cannot apply your passport using Zig because there is no foreign currency to settle the payments made in Zig to the passport people or to the contractors. Rema passport. That is the fact. You can't deny it. So you not tell me today that Zig is backed by anything. If a Zig is based by money, by gold, by diamond, by lithium, why did you arrest those money changers? Why did you arrest them? It's because you know that this Zig is backed by nothing. You know that this Zig is not backed by anything because there is no money changer who is stronger than gold. Show me one person in Zimbabwe who can cause the price of Zig of gold to fall. Tell me one man in Zimbabwe who can influence the price of diamond of any other mineral in Zimbabwe. None. The price of gold is not determined in Zimbabwe. The price of lithium is not determined in Zimbabwe. It's dependent on international markets, which means if ZiG was backed by any meaningful currency, we would have scratched chinchononzi US dollar kudhara, simply because it becomes internationally recognized and accepted. Once it becomes internationally recognized and accepted, I can make a payment using ZiG in Zimbabwe. It is received in America in US dollar. Somebody in America can pay me in US dollars, I receive it in ZiG. That is the best example of a working currency. Go to South Africa, go to Zambia. If you are sent money, inoshika currency ekoko. That is an example of a working currency. And in Zimbabwe, that simple example shows that this ZiG is failing and nothing is happening. When money is valuable, you don't need to go to campaign. Mukadzi akanaka afambe achiudzwa vanhu kuti wanga akanaka varume. Zvinongooneka zvega. Vanenge vachingozvitaura kuti hama yakabatana vaya. You see, nyama yakanaka inozvitengesa. You don't need to do good and walk and preach about it to say, uyai muone kwazvoita chinhu chakanaka pano. Uyai muone pazvoita iwe. So do you think these men do not see, these women do not see, we don't see? Do you think we don't see that ZiG is not money? Do you think that we don't know? Do you think we don't know? I want to challenge anybody to go into the bank, to walk into the bank, make a ZiG deposit and send to somebody who is in the diaspora. Do it and see if that is going to happen. If you manage to do that, then you'll be able to convince me that ZiG is working. That is the only condition you can convince me. So personally, from this video, if you take a look on these people, you can see the kind of thinking which they have, their level of thinking capacity. They've actually told us that money changers, they are stronger than gold because they've arrested money changers saying they are good on ZiG. You see? Rikunotadza neko kugamwa negoridhe zvara kugamwa nemapurisa nemakoti. So honestly, Team Zimbabwe, I feel pity for these young people. Vachazovepi kana Zimbabwe yakutapira. Muchanyarira kupi? Sometimes unozwa kuti pane pamwe paunozodawo kuti uzouya ino arume ndinoziva ABC ndizonza baba garai pasi. My believer kuti ZiG imari mimi. Hamuna chamunotiudza. And you be embarrassed in life. You know, sometimes these young kids you are seeing today, they will laugh at your videos. Mwemusi wabora ngoma wagwavava. They will laugh at your videos. And they will replay these videos in your presence. Wotanga utsamwa manje. Ndoponuka kuti hacho manje nokumana nanzargo istopedzera manje. Kokana wakadopedzerana vanopedzerana. You see, it will be a democracy. Ichaita democracy Zimbabwe. Ichasvika pakuti kuvhundudzirana kwese kwamuri kuita zvese singachashandi. So honestly, Team Zimbabwe, let us have people who think for themselves. Not these bootlickers and these ass-lickers. This is the problem we have in Zimbabwe. So I do not know, guys. I don't know what you think. Hanzi mnangagwa uchi. Hanzi Sadik yakati ubrakagwa uchi. I do not know uchi wenunze. Uchi wechi adizive.